Okay, previous tutor here. Welcome to this video. We'll look at momentum physics question. The question says a body of mass 2 kg traveling at 8 meters per second, it collides with a body of mass 3 kg which is traveling at 5 meters per second in the same direction. Now, if after collision the two moved together, calculate the velocity with which the two bodies moved. So remember, under momentum we've got types of collision. We've got elastic collision and inelastic collision. Then at the same time we've got perfect inelastic collision and imperfect elastic collision. So now, when two bodies collide and move together, that means they travel at the same speed. That speed is what we call common velocity. So which type of collision is this? Now when we look at this, when they stick together, that means momentum will be conserved, even kinetic energy will be conserved, and in that case we are saying it's a perfect elastic collision. So now when we look at this, since they move together at a certain velocity called v, let's assume this is one body of mass 3 kg moving at a speed of 8 meters per second, and we have another object here of mass, so this is of mass 2 kg and another mass of 3 kg which is moving in the same direction as this one, but it's moving at 5 meters per second. So now they're saying for this to collide, it means this mass, it had to hit that one there, and they ended up sticking together. All right, so they end up doing what? Sticking together. That means they had a common mass, let's call that mass m, and they also had a common velocity, let's call that one common velocity v. So but we know that momentum, which is p, is equal to mass multiplied by what? Velocity. Now, according to the law of conservation of momentum, it states that the momentum before collision should be equal to the momentum after what? After collision. So we are saying the momentum before collision should be equal to the momentum what? After collision. So we'll extend it from the other side. So momentum initial should be equal to, now remember that these guys are moving at a common velocity with a common mass. So will be equal to momentum what? Final, and velocity what? Final. Now that's mass final. Now under mass initial and velocity initial, remember we have two masses. We have for object 3 kg and for object 2 kg. So we have the first, so here we have 2 kg multiplied by 8. This is our first momentum, plus another one is 3 multiplied by 5. So this is our initial momentum before collision. Then after collision, they start together. Remember, they're moving at the same speed. That means they start together and they move with a common velocity. So we are going to add our masses at the end of the day. So we're going to say 2 plus 3, and our common velocity is just vf. Let's just call it v final. Of course, here we get 16 plus 15, and here what we get? We get 5 vf. 5 what? vf. So from, of course, here we get 31 equal to 5 vf. So over 5, so we have vf equal to 6.2 meters per second. This is our velocity, common velocity, after they stuck together and they moved together like that. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok as well as on Facebook, as well as for online classes. We are very much available. We are here to assist you. Make sure you do that. Your friends are enjoying. You don't have to miss this opportunity.